Hey there, my name is Jeremy with Educational Innovation Incorporated, and this activity is called Neon Colored Ball Mix. It's the sixth and final activity with the Slime, Seaweed, and Polymer Blob series of the home subscription kit from Educational Innovation called Home Science Lab. Now, just like with the previous activities, nearly everything that you need to do for the activity is included in the kit. For this activity, you will receive nearly everything that you need, which includes 2 packages of neon colored ball mix, 1 plastic mold, 1 plastic cup. All you need to provide is some water and a pair of scissors. That's it. Now, before beginning, remember safety first. Whenever you first subscribe to Home Science Lab, you'll receive a pair of safety glasses. Anytime that you're dealing with anything that might get in contact with your eyes, it's important to protect them. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Start off by filling your 9-ounce plastic cup with water and then set it aside. Snap the 2 halves of the ball mold together. Using your scissors, snip the corner of whatever color you choose to use for your ball and pour the contents into the mold. Gently tap the mold so that all of the mix settles throughout the mold, leaving no empty pockets of air or voids of any kind throughout the mix. The mix should come all the way to the top. Now, holding the top of the mold, dunk the entire mold into the cup of water, completely submerging the mold. Hold the mold underwater for about 60 seconds. When the time is up, gently take the ball out of the mold and place it on a napkin or a paper towel and let it dry. Sit there for about 2 minutes. The ball will need time to set up and dry. If you pop open the ball too early and not give it enough proper time to dry and gel, it may just fall apart when you open the mold. Now, after about 2 minutes of drying time, pop the mold open and gently roll the ball between the palms of your hands. This will serve 2 purposes. 1, to dry out the surface of the ball, and 2, to ensure that the ball remains in the shape of a sphere as it continues to dry and gel. Now, raise it off the table or floor and let it drop. So how does that work? Well, the powder is actually absorbing the water through the holes of the mold to create the bouncy ball. The powders are a mixture of dehydrated gel, polyvinyl alcohol, sodium tetraborate powder, as well as a neon pigment that gives the bouncy ball its vibrant color. If those terms sound familiar to you, it's because we've used them in previous lessons in this series, and you're well aware of the capabilities and functions of these chemicals. Now, when you take the powder mix in the mold and dunk it into the water, something really cool happens. The chemicals start to absorb the water and react with one another, creating long cross-linked polymers. Now, these polymers connect with one another and take shape of the mold, which creates your elastic bouncy ball. Pretty cool, huh? Use this link to subscribe to your very own Home Science Lab kit, and follow the links below to see videos of other activities within this series.